A lot of the clients that we represent have struggles that most of us cannot identify with. And it's a very important calling. The law is still a profession, and it's a profession that is there to serve people. It is a profession that should lead the community, and we should serve people who need it the most. The most important part of being a lawyer is to speak for someone that can't speak for themselves. Every client has a story that needs to be told. It can be told in a jury trial. It can be told in a settlement demand letter to an insurance company, but it's got to be told. And when we get that story out, we have to know the law, and we have to be current on the law, and we have to be fully prepared. We handle medical issues every day. Our firm has a registered nurse on staff who helps work with the medical records, work with the doctors involved to make sure that we know as much as we can possibly know about the medical issues. Because if you don't know the story, you don't know the law, and you don't know the medical issues, how can you really represent someone?
I had a double cervical neck fusion and was 6 months past surgery and was working as a nurse and got kicked in the side of my neck by a young child while I was giving him vaccines. It did nerve damage down my arm, so that prevented me from being able to work as a nurse any longer. It was a very difficult time. And when I came here and met with Jon, it was like my spirit was lifted that day. From the first visit, he made me feel comfortable and he made me understand that all I needed to do was tell my story from the heart. I felt like God had sent me to Jon, you know, and it did. It made a big difference, a big difference. It was the start of a new chapter for me.
I'm a general contractor, and I was headed to a job, and a tractor trailer truck hit me on the side. I gave Jon a call, and we had an initial conversation. I could tell how humble and how candid he was about my case. And Jon offered all the help that he could get me, and he did a great job for me. And I was very, very pleased.
We want to help people who need us. We want to help people that have been injured, and we want to do the best job we can. We'd be honored to be able to tell your story to achieve justice in your case.